day. Back to being beaten up by the charts, by the markets, I mean. Nah, I got my gloves on this week, I'm ready. Yeah, let's just mark up some shit. Boom. Start drawing. That's the saying. Start drawing. People get confused and I'm like, I gotta let them know, these are all just, for me now, take profits. Even though I use the liquidity indicator, if I wasn't, this is what I would be doing. This is the old school way of just marking up my TPs. Do you know what I mean? Breakout line to the downside clean. I'm not really seeing nothing to the upside. It'd be the 1 minute time frame. And I've been staying away from the 1 minute, but I would put it there. Yeah, I'd still enter there. Target the top. Oh shit. And then obviously target the bottoms. But keeping in mind them imbalances are there. So as that, like I said, I wouldn't want to go against how strong that trend is, even though at 8 o'clock now, it could come in and just pure boom to the downside and sweep loads of liquidity. You know what I mean? I'm still, look at it, there's a lot of liquidity to the downside though. I think only to the downside. So NAS is at highs as well. I didn't know that. Right, I'm locked in, I can't look at the chat. NASDAQ looks like it's gonna melt. Honestly, these the setups. I'm trading the other one, DAX. Okay, I'm selling DAX. I'm actually in for sales on DAX, but I don't like how it tweaked back on me then, but I'm in anyway. I'm in one position. Oh, DAX, you look, I can see how it's tweaking. I need you to melt. Yes, DAX. There we go. There we go. Come on, DAX. I'm still in DAX. I closed one position on DAX. I've left one open. Because if this gap wants to get filled now, that'd be fucking insane. But that is pretty much TP smash though. I'm not going to lie. Me holding is just a personal choice. I hit my 500 mark for my TP1. So seeing the potential of that gap getting filled is just doing something to me. And it's that take risks and prosper kind of fucking vibe today. So we either take this risk and prosper or it doesn't. You know what I mean? But right now, come on. But this is why we stick to the plan. This is why I don't ever switch my strategy. I come back today with the exact same mindset that I always come with. Smash and grab mindset, liquidity sweeps, all of that shit. Just in and out trades, yeah? I don't never switch my strategy. Just because it don't work for a day or two. You know what I mean? That's because that's what we do. We manage risk. Last week, I think Thursday was a shitty day. I lost on London and I lost New York. You just got to stick to the plan. That's all it is. But like, don't be in DAX like me unless you literally got partials open or a runner, because I did secure that 500 profit that I always go for, that 1-to-1. I have to trade it. I have to trade it. Secure some of that moolah. That's the worst that can happen now, is that I secure another 5. I'm out. He just closed me out. Alright, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Bag of sand up. Thank you. That was nice. Yeah, I'll take it all day.